What's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick update on Bitcoin where I see it heading today. So we've had a rejection, found support here, here, and here. So we've got a low there, higher low, and it looks like we're starting to break out. Now, I actually opened a trade last night and I put a take profit around 92, just slightly above 92. I think it's going to go between 94 to 97. The reason I put 92 is once we go here, I think we're going to, or maybe even a slight extension over there, I think we're going to fall back slightly, then continue to the upside. So I put the take profit there, which would be some nice profit, and then fall back. And then once we find a support and then go up to the next leg, I'll basically open around the support level, but I'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So I think this could potentially play out today, currently on the 15-minute chart at the moment. Let's head over to the liquidation heat map as well, just so I can show you what I'm seeing there. Okay, so we're on the liquidation heat map. Now, this is what I'm seeing. So it's moving sideways a bit. It's bouncing, kind of through this channel here. Now, it needs to come up to these levels. Now, I think once we tap into these levels, we're going to potentially have a fallback slightly and then go up to the next leg, which is 93. Same again. And then up to here, potentially like between 94.5 to 95, 96 level. So the reason I put the take profit at 92 is because if we just zoom out, we've got the EMAs that need to catch up. Now, the blue line has basically crossed the orange line, which means that we're coming into an uptrend. However, it could potentially either just go parabolic from this stage, like to the equilibrium, and then find resistance there and then fall back. Or it could potentially go up to here, tap into my take profit, fall back slightly, use the EMAs as a support level, and then continue to the upside. So right now I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I think we're gonna, we've obviously had that reversal. I originally called it from, if we go up here, I basically called it a long from around here. Boom, we went up there, and on the bigger time frames, I called it a short and called it around these levels here. Once we tapped into there, I said that we're going to fall back, which we did. So both trades so far played out perfectly. We did the long, we've done the short all the way down here. And then I'm looking for a bounce and then continue to the downside. But in terms of the short-term trade, on a micro, I'm looking to come and tap into the take profit. I probably should potentially put the take profit up here, maybe 93, but I just want to be a bit on the safe side. That's why I put it at 92. Then once it hits take profit, I'll just sit on my hands for a bit, see where it's going, potentially open a short, potentially open a long. Let's see what happens. If you do want to start trading, I put the link below to my public channel. I put all of my trades in there, and you can basically follow them. It's completely for free. It's a Telegram channel. Also, if you want to start trading, sign up to Weex. The link is in the video description below, and you'll basically get a 20% deposit bonus. It's free money. It's absolute no-brainer, so you might as well sign up to Weex. They're a brilliant exchange, and they're the only exchange that I'm currently using. So yeah, that was just a quick update on Bitcoin, where I see it heading next, and I will see you guys in the next video.